I'm going to talk about the Cingular 8525. It was made by Windows mobile phone, Windows mobile smartphone. It's a really great phone. It's simple in the front, and yeah, you can open it up for messaging and internet navigation, which makes it a lot quicker. And to make it even quicker, they provided a stylus right here that it makes it even more. The stylus is adjustable, so you can easily pull it up and down, and it has a big screen so you can see at it through the night if you're working. The camera has 2 megapixels, which is really good, and it has a flash, and it can go between landscape and nighttime. It's other than that, it's a good phone. If you get it unlocked, it can work all sort of services like Cingular, AT&T, and T-Mobile. The phone's really great. It's easy to carry around and compact, so it'll easily fit into your pocket. I really suggest buying this phone, Cingular 8525, Windows Mobile.